the current slowdown may affect the adoption of digital technologies mostly in the small and medium enterprises?
Well, yes, let me first say that Italy also has a very, very important industrial sector and manufacturing sector, so we are very proud to work together very closely between the German and the Italian manufacturing industry. Indeed, as you say, when there is a slowdown, the means at the disposal of the government for public policies go down. But my impression is that in Germany the government has understood that the digital transformation has to be the first priority. As you may know, there has been what we call digital pact, a pact for digital transformation of the economy, which has been concluded between the government and all the different stakeholders, of course, first and foremost with business and industry and manufacturing, which will make sure, I hope, that if there is a slowdown, which I hope will not accelerate, this will not lead to a slowdown in the digital transformation. So as I already said on the panel, the precondition for SMEs to be able to actually make full use of the digital transformation is all access to digital infrastructure. And this is a challenge which we all have, and the German government has to take this challenge and make the digital infrastructure better all over the place, also in rural areas. When it comes to skills and to vocational training, as you know, employers and social partners in general have a very active role in Germany, because actually the curricula for vocational education and training are designed jointly by the employers, the trade unions and the governments for the vocational schools. And what we see there is that there has been a very good development already and integration of digital skills into the technical training curricula, because these curricula are designed in very, very close cooperation with the manufacturing industry.
So collaboration and standing in the same direction is very important for workers and companies.
Absolutely, and here we are very pleased to see that the trade unions in Germany and also the works councils in the individual companies, they have the same approach, so they are not posing obstacles to digital technologies, but what they want is to empower the employees, of course, to make full use of the digital technologies. And then the other issue, and I think there also we need to work together between employers and workers, is to make sure that the employees who are there today and whose jobs will disappear or whose skills will be outdated, so we have to make sure that the employees whose skills will be outdated or whose jobs will be disappear or will change fundamentally receive the right education and training on the job, but also in schools, that they can move to new jobs, to new types of work, and they can stay on board, because what matters for people is employment security. And there we have a joint interest between workers, organizations and companies.